Sam Altman, the visionary CEO of OpenAI, is embarking on a bold journey to revolutionize everyday technology by creating an AI device that could replace smartphones as we know them. In collaboration with Johnny Ive, the legendary Apple designer behind the iPhone, iMac, and iPad, Altman aims to deliver a groundbreaking product that transcends traditional interfaces like keyboards and touchscreens. This device promises a more natural, seamless way for users to interact with AI, marking what Altman calls the biggest evolution in tech devices since the iPhone. The partnership with Ive underscores a focus not only on cutting-edge AI capabilities, but also on sleek, minimalist design and intuitive user experience. Ive's influence in shaping Apple's iconic products lends credibility and excitement to this ambitious project, which could redefine consumer technology by embedding AI deeply into daily life, making it more accessible and effortless than ever before. OpenAI's drive to lead the AI revolution comes amid intense global competition, with Chinese companies rapidly closing the gap in AI development. Altman has voiced concerns about the geopolitical risks associated with AI, warning that authoritarian regimes might exploit this technology to tighten control and spread disinformation. These challenges add a layer of urgency and complexity to OpenAI's mission. To maintain its edge, OpenAI has launched the Stargate project, a massive $500 billion investment backed by SoftBank and Oracle, to build advanced data centers across the US, providing the immense computational power needed for AI innovation. Beyond infrastructure, the company is developing custom AI chips to reduce reliance on suppliers like NVIDIA, optimizing performance and cutting costs, a strategy already embraced by tech giants such as Apple and Google. Altman's recent outreach to Japan highlights the importance of international partnerships, especially with Japan's semiconductor industry, which could play a crucial role in chip manufacturing. As OpenAI expands from a software pioneer into a full-fledged tech powerhouse, the fusion of AI, design, and hardware promises to reshape the future of human-machine interaction in ways we've never imagined.